we'll guide you through how to remove effects in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and load the project where you want to remove an effect. Once you're in your project, you need to look at the timeline at the bottom of the screen where all your clips and effects are displayed. Click on the specific clip that has the effect you wish to remove. You'll notice that above the timeline, there's a menu with different options. Look for the one labeled Effects and click on it. This will show you all the effects that are currently applied to the selected clip. To remove an effect, simply click on Clip, and you'll notice the effect name in the top of your clip, then click on it, and press Delete button on your keyboard. This will instantly remove the effect from the clip, allowing you to see the changes in real time. If you have multiple effects applied and want to remove them all at once, you can click on Remove All at the top of the Effects panel. This is a quick way to clear out all effects without having to do them individually. Remember, removing effects is non-destructive, meaning you can always reapply them later if you change your mind. Also, don't forget to save your project after making these changes to ensure everything is updated. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove effects in CapCut to refine your video projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.